The Ed Wood Trade and Industry Center is situated in the center of the Southeast Technical College campus. The prairie-style architecture and its surroundings honor nature and incorporate outdoor greenhouses, raised vegetation beds, and natural design elements. There's also an outdoor area where students from the Sports Turf Management program have a hands-on opportunity to work with golf greens and pitching mounds. Inside the modern building, students seeking degrees and certifications from our industrial technology and transportation programs will find classrooms and shop areas that are set up to simulate actual workspaces using the latest equipment and technology and instructors who have extensive experience in the industries they teach. Students in these high-demand fields find rewarding careers locally and across the nation. The Testing Center at Southeast Tech is also found inside the Wood Center. This is your on-campus resource for admissions and placement testing, as well as certification testing and safety testing for select programs. Students in the industrial trades, transportation, horticulture, and construction management programs will spend the majority of their time inside the Wood Center. Industrial trades programs include electrician, HVAC technology, residential heating and air conditioning technology, plumbing and mechanical systems, and welding. Transportation programs include collision repair and refinish technology, commercial driver's license, first-year diesel. Horticulture programs include horticulture technology, sports turf management. Construction management and veterinary technician are also offered inside Ed Wood. Your 2-year associate degree provides you with the opportunity to work in residential, commercial, ag, or industrial settings as an electrician apprentice. Through hands-on classroom experience, you'll learn to install wiring systems, design circuits, read blueprints, and use power tools and special equipment related to electrical systems. Your degree provides you with 2,000 hours toward certification and puts you in the 3rd year of your electrician apprenticeship. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration technology is offered as an associate degree from Southeast Tech. This excellence-accredited coursework focuses on installation, maintenance, and repair of HVAC systems. The program demands strong math and problem-solving skills, as well as the ability to provide positive customer service. This field can take you into homes, offices, businesses, and industries with options to work for contractors, repair shops, in-house maintenance, or as a business owner. Begin your career as a professional plumber after earning your 1-year diploma in mechanical systems and plumbing technology. You will learn from top-notch instructors how to perform new installations or repair existing systems. Part of your education includes learning building codes, plumbing codes, reading blueprints, and using tools and proper pipe fitting techniques. You can obtain a journeyman's license after 7,600 hours of plumbing experience, and Southeast Tech provides you with 1 full year of experience along with your diploma. You can earn one of several certificates in Southeast Tech's welding program, or you can earn a 1-year diploma. Certificates include 4 to 12 weeks of hand-on instruction in one of our 4 specialties: shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, and flux core arc welding. Your diploma includes instruction on all 4 methods. All welding courses teach you to safely operate welding equipment using a heat fusion process to join metal parts. Attention to detail, manual dexterity, and strong technical skills will benefit you in a career as a professional welder, putting you in high demand for a variety of industries. Transportation programs located in the Wood Center include collision repair and refinish technology, first-year diesel technology, and the opportunity to earn a commercial driver's license. If you love working around a garage and have a passion for detail, an associate's degree in collision repair and refinish technology will open doors to a career that allows you to restore, repair, and refinish vehicle bodies and frames in order to return them to like-new condition. Your 2-year degree will teach you how to assess structural damage, provide estimates, fit and weld parts, sand and prime surfaces, apply new paint and finish, and provide vehicle alignment. You'll learn all these skills from instructors who work in the industry. Earn an associate degree in diesel technology in order to repair, diagnose, and maintain diesel engines. Your work as a diesel technician will allow you to focus on the heavy equipment segment of diesel technology, including GPS and computer controls. Your coursework will also cover brakes, steering, powertrains, electrical systems, suspension, air conditioning, and hydraulics in order to launch you into a high-demand and rewarding career. First-year diesel classes are in the Ed Wood Center. Earn a Class A CDL license in just 4 weeks or a Class B CDL license in as little as 1 week. Southeast Tech's commercial driver's license training certifies you to drive commercial vehicles such as a tractor-trailer, commercial bus, livestock hauler, box trucks, or a flatbed truck. 2 programs fall under our horticulture program: Horticulture Technology and Sports Turf Management. As a horticulture technician, a 2-year degree will teach you the science behind plants, including plant propagation and cultivation. You'll learn how to grow, care for, and identify fruits and vegetables, annuals and perennials, and nursery stock. If you love working outdoors and are interested in plant nature, this interesting career path can help you find opportunities in landscape maintenance, landscape grooming, plant nurseries and garden centers, or even owning your own business. Combine your love of the outdoors with maintaining sports facilities, golf courses, and specialized sports applications. You'll learn the latest professional methods of sports turf care and maintenance, as well as how to operate equipment, identify pests and problems, basic landscape design, and more. This associate degree is available in just 2 years and will take you to careers on golf courses, professional and semi-professional baseball stadiums, sports complexes, and commercial landscape properties. Construction Management is a 2-year associate degree that prepares you to oversee residential and commercial construction projects from start to finish. Coursework will help you learn to provide estimates, order materials and tools, manage budgets and schedules, supervise people, and maintain quality standards and customer expectations every step of the way. This degree will put you on the fast track to jobs with construction companies of all sizes, or you could work for yourself. Certifications in construction management fields are also available from Southeast Tech. The Ed Wood Trade and Industrial Center was recently renovated for the new Veterinary Technician program, where you can learn to support and assist veterinarians who work with both large and small animals. You'll take courses in animal anatomy, medical terminology, basic pharmacology, medical imaging, laboratory processes, animal care, disease prevention, anesthesiology, pain management, and surgical support. This 2-year associate degree will help you with careers in veterinary clinics, research, and animal science. To learn more about Southeast Technical College in Sioux Falls, contact our admissions office.